All right, guys, you're welcome back to another vlog video. It's your boy Nick Asa. Today I got to the factory and I realized that the place is very dirty, so I have to do some cleanup exercise here. Forgive me for my tone. I have a slight headache and a cold, so it has affected my tone. All right, so I'm going to do some cleanup exercise. So I'm doing it with you guys. So oh my god. Guys, I mistakenly burst the water on myself. It's not easy. So I'm going to try to clean the factory before I try to, catch some water. These ones are damages caused during production. Yeah. So I'm going to bust them one after the other. You can actually use blades to do that. Yeah. I use blades to do that. So after this, I'm going to clean the machine, the coil machine, and the RO system. Okay, so guys, I want you to watch this video to an end. Okay, subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section. And then I'll blow the fans to dry it quickly for me.